For the Tools Mastery project, the team was tasked with 3D printing a chess set. In this video, we will discuss 1. The prototyping of each piece, 2. Each piece itself and how it was designed, and 3. The overall process, any issues that occurred, and reflect on different strategies the team took on each function.
When creating a model to 3D print, the first step is to sketch it on paper. The next step is to open Fusion 360 and make a sketch of it in the program. After that, you can try several different methods to make it into a 3D model. Once you have your 3D model, you can return to your sketch and make changes to improve it and redefine the edges. The last step is to print your 3D object. After you print your object, you can look at it and always go back and make changes. It's important to remember that the engineering design process is iterative. So after you print it, you can always return to step 5, return to sketch, refine the 3D model, and print again.
For this project, we had to create a chessboard and a complete chess set. One of each piece was made: a pawn, a rook, a knight, a bishop, a queen, a king, using 3D printing. Then a chessboard was made using laser cutting.
In step 3, we're going to discuss numerous issues we came across and reflect on the design process. The first issue we came across was creating our initial sketch. It was very hard to find the right dimensions and to create the proper shape. The learning curve for Fusion 360 and Adobe Illustrator is pretty steep. It took a lot of trial and error to finally find the proper methods to create our shapes. The third issue we came across was editing our 3D chess pieces. To solve this issue, we used tangent planes and used numerous different types of cuts. We used 3 main techniques to design our 3D printed chess pieces. The first, we revolved a 2D sketch around an axis. The second, we stacked multiple extruded 2D images on top of each other. And lastly, the third, we started from a block and made cuts and fillets.
By putting the base of the chess piece on the bed of the printer, it offers us the most stability and minimal supports on the chess piece. It's important to think about supports when you're designing your piece because they can often be difficult to remove and detract from the looks of your 3D chess piece.
For the chessboard, I printed multiple copies on scrap pieces of wood. In some of the copies, the dark squares weren't dark enough in the Adobe Illustrator, so the laser cutter didn't read it. Also, the outlines of the images weren't outlined in black, so it didn't completely outline the image on the chessboard.